this week's free newsletter. My name's Craig Cobb from Trade with Precision, and it's the 27th of January. Okay, so I'm liking a few things right now. I just want to sort of point out some of the markets that I'm really liking the look of, and there's some good trends, and there's some good trends on some of the majors too. And Aussie dollar is one of those. It got a bit messy and ugly through here around the 8,200. We rejected, and we've just fallen quite nicely. Ultimately, I'd love to see it pull back in at 8,000, and love to see it give one of the trades that we trade here in around 8,000. A little PLT would be spot on. I'd absolutely love to see that. I'm looking for opportunities around 8,000, but I'd also be happy to trade the lower time frames if it continues to move lower. Another one that's trending very, very well is euro dollar, showing no signs of changing. Great trend, a fantastic trend, opportunities galore, and really, really liking the look of this. Again, a pull back into the averages would be nice, but actually where we are at right now on some of these lower time frames is exactly there. Back into that sell zone, bit of a candle, bearish candle there. Could be rolling over to set new lows. I do like euro dollar lower, and I'm open to multiple time frames to be trading that for a move down. Again, a dollar pair, and it's dollar CAD, extremely strong. I'm kind of liking dollar CAD more for pullback on the daily. I believe we are due for one. Well, we are due for one. It's just a matter of when it will happen. I'm not looking to short it back down by any means, but I'm looking for opportunities to get in on those higher time frames, the daily, the 960, the 720, even possibly the 480. I'd want to see a nice pullback, a nice clean pullback, whether it be 480, the 720, the 960, or the daily. Excuse me, I'm not too concerned about. But yeah, I'm definitely looking for a pullback on dollar CAD and a continuation of that trend. Now, a couple of yens to consider as well is Aussie yen. I like this. It's trending lower on the weekly. It's trending very nicely now on the daily, and we're approaching this 94 level. And if I just zoom out a little bit, you can see that 94 is quite a significant level. It's been strong resistance, it's been support. We've broken down through it, but we're pulling back up into that now. So it is definitely, it's definitely one for me to keep an eye on. Having a look at the 4 hour, even the 8 hour. Maybe if I got like a little flat level to trade down through here, I might consider it with a stop above 94. But I'd love to see it sort of get up there and really test 94 and give me that little PLT that I'm looking for. And next is euro yen. Where are we here? Euro yen's looking great as well. I wouldn't trade Aussie yen and euro yen unless I also split it, but a lovely downtrend. Look at that beautiful move lower. It's quite volatile. Having big days. 130 up to nearly 134. You're looking at 400 pips in a day. It's a big volatile cross at the moment, and keeping a close eye on it. But I mean, having a look here, we've pulled back into this sell zone. Beautiful bearish candle, breaking the lows now. It definitely looks bearish to me. I'm definitely looking for opportunities to join this to the short side, keeping a close eye on it. Okay. And finally, US equities. The US market has been a little bit, for me anyway, at the start of the year, it hasn't shown me too much direction. It's just shown here by the Russell. It's not really done a great deal. It's sitting here threatening to break up and have potentially a considerable move to the upside. We need to get through 1200, and we're toying with that level right now. I like the fact that there's two rejection candles, a bullish candle broken to the high side, and if we can get above 1200, I'll be looking for opportunities to the long side on all time frames. Now, what that actually means for me is I will happily go and look at US equities now to add to my portfolio for things to trade. Now that if we can get above 1200, of course, it looks quite likely at the moment. Now that we've got a bit more clarity of direction, in my opinion, based on this chart, then I'm more than happy to go looking for opportunities trading those markets. Okay, so yeah, it's a lot out there at the moment, guys. Lots of opportunities available. For those of you who know our trading strategies, you know what to do. For those of you who don't, well, I recommend you come and check us out. I recommend joining us for the webinar this week, the 5 pillars of trading strategy. All you need to do is go to the website www.tradewithprecision.com, click on the the tab that says free live webinars. It will be on the bottom of this video and in the email, and register for one of the webinars that you see there at the different times. One is the 27th of January at 7 AM in London, 6 PM Sydney, 8 PM Auckland. The other is on the 29th of January, and that is at 3 PM New York, 8 PM London, or 7 AM Sydney. Enjoy those webinars, guys. Enjoy the week. I'll speak to you all very soon. Bye for now.